SE Request is a system focused on service request management. It offers resources designed to manage the entire request lifecycle, from its beginning all the way to its end. It offers approval controls, service effectiveness, analysis, searches, and reports that gives users a quick overview of all requests. In the planning stage, we'll see how the solution configures request registration, types, attributes, checklists, approval routes, and more. The registration of a request always occurs according to the configurations defined for the SE Suite users. In this example, the user Adrian will be responsible for registering requests. The solution allows you to classify requests by type. Each type is defined by a different parameter defined by the user responsible. Configure checklists, select which SE Suite component is related to this type of request, define operation type, who will be responsible for the execution, deadlines, closure step, and if the request explanation is mandatory or optional. Next, we can define attributes. For each type of request, different attributes can be defined. The solution allows you to configure if the request needs to go through an approval process and its deadline. In the Security tab, we can configure if anyone can make this type of request or if it'll only be available to certain users, areas, teams, and so on. Next stage, we'll see how the solution executes requests according to the user's needs, classification types, as well as define request approval, users responsible, and responsibility routes. After configuring your request types and structures, the request can now be registered according to the user's permissions and needs. All requests are classified by type, making it easy to access information in a fast and practical manner. The solution allows for a description and justification to be included for the request created. As I mentioned in the previous stage, attributes are defined as stated in the request registration. In this example, priority was the only attribute defined for this request. As I also mentioned, the solution allows for the definition of a responsible department, role, or user for approving the request. A notification will be sent to the responsible party so they can approve or deny this request. In this example, a pending notice was generated for our user Paul. Request fulfillment will depend on approval by Paul. This starts a process where a request may continue its progress towards fulfillment. This is the time when the person responsible for fulfilling the request is also chosen. In our last stage, we'll see how SE requests allows for different query types and analysis of all request data. Track all requests using different filters such as request types, names, object, status, departments, request issue information, approval information, period, and much more. SoftExpert's request solution uses analytic tools with constantly updated information that are 100% customizable per user, that allows the use of different viewing options such as different styles of graphs, tables, gauges, and more. As we've seen in the video, through a single central database that stores all information and documents, SE Requests automates the request lifecycle based on all service demands by the company's different departments. This way, the entire work routine completed by the organization is recorded and monitored. For more information, please visit our website www.softexpert.com or email us at sales@softexpert.com.